guys, how's it going? It's Sudha here. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can swap the two variable values and display it out on the screen. For example, if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, after swapping it becomes x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So first open C++. I've already typed the main syntax of the program. Here enter the main function and declare two variables, that is integer type x and y, and then terminate this. We want to take input from the user, so I use cin. First display the message for user understanding. Please enter the value of x and then terminate this. Now use cin for taking input of x. So guys, here this one is actually used to input x variable and then use cout again. Display the message, please enter the value of y and then terminate this, and again cin for input of y, terminate this, and this is actually command input y. And here get this point with a daily life example to swap the two variables value. So if you have two bowls, one bowl having milk in this and then the other one bowl having water. So this one bowl name is y and this one bowl name is x, and you want to exchange their liquid with each other, so you must have an empty bowl. So this one empty bowl, that is taking temporarily. So guys, this one is taking temporarily. So here first put the water of x bowl into the temporarily bowl. So guys, x become empty, and then put the milk into the x bowl. Now y become empty, so in this bowl having water, so put the water into the y bowl. So here guys, we have actually introducing a new variable, that is temp, so that we change the value of the variable of x and y with each other. So guys, here we introduce a new variable, that is temporarily, so I use name temp, and then here temp is equal to x and then y is equal to x and then x is equal to y, and then y is equal to temp. So guys, here print the value of variables after swapping. This become message after swapping value of x. So guys, here use x variable and then terminate and l for new line. Terminate this and again cout after swapping value of y, and then here use y variable and l. Terminate this, save this program. Now here use temp variable temp. Save this again and again compile and done. So guys, here we get the output. Please enter the value of x. We enter 2 and then please enter the value of y. So that is 4, and after swapping value of x become 4 and after swapping value of y become 2. Now understand the working of this program. First of all, control move into the main function and here declare 3 variables x, y and temp, that is integer type. And here guys, this one basically block is used for taking input from the user, and if user enter x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, so control move to the next statement and read temp is equal to x. So value of x variable is assigned to the temporarily variable. So guys, here x having 2 values, so 2 is assigned to the temporarily variable, and then control move to the next statement and read x is equal to y. So guys, here you see that y is equal to 4, so 4 is assigned to the x variable, and here the next statement y is equal to temp. So guys, here you see that temporarily variable having 2 values. So guys, here temporarily variable having 2 values. So here guys, 2 is assigned to the y, and here control move to the next statement and read cout after swapping value of x. This one message is printed on the screen, and then x indicates that the value of x variable is printed on the screen. You see that the last value of x, that is 4. So that print on the screen, and until is used basically for new line, and again this one message is printed on the screen after swapping value of y, and so the value of y is also printed on the screen. You see that the last value of y is 2 here, so 2 is printed on the screen. So guys, I think this small video really helped you. If you like the video, then click on the like button, subscribe button and share button. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.